So sieve number 6. Human excrement, when it is that does not emit full odor, is likewise an excrement, and likewise excrement of cat and of menia, who's menia. A small animal resemble a cat, right? Some identify an animal as a marten, a weasel-like creature. So some things. So basically, it's so human and cat and this animal that smell bad. And the excrement of Tarnigol adumi, also known as Englischer, Heiner, or Induk. 29. This type of fowl, similar to the chicken or turkey. Okay, so looks like they have a especially bad smell. One must distance himself from them before engaging in sacred matters. Commentary. According to Maggid Avraham, the excrement of these animals has the same status of that of the human, and one must distance himself from them even when they do not emit full odor. Okay, so we didn't get. We're going to say later on how far it has to distance, but so far, even if it does not smell, the human waste or this animal waste, this that we said, he has to distance himself. One must distance himself from then engage in sacred matter. Okay, we said that. The excrement of the other animals, beasts and birds, generally do not emit a full odor, and one need not distance himself from them. Okay, very clear. However, in the event that they emit full odor, and likewise with regard to the carcass that emits full odor, or anything that emits full odor due to decay commentary, one does not have to distance himself from something that emits offensive odor in its natural state, like a tar. So basically, if it does not smell good, like paint, right? You just painted your wall. So I mean, so some people, I mean, for some people it's very offensive. Odor for some people there is not. So it's natural odor. It's not like something decaying or. Right, so that's fine. So if you're okay with that smell, you don't have to distance yourself. If you're not, if it bothers you, so you have to distance. That's a general rule. And likewise, so everything that smells bad, you have to distance yourself. So if something is a little offensive, but you're okay with that, I mean, like paint or tar, so you're not obligated. And likewise with regard to the chicken coop. Okay, chicken coop, 32. Since a large amount of excrement is present there, it is especially repulsive and therefore share the halachic status of human excrement. Mishnah Brura. See also appendix of Kitzur editorial glosses. So it's I don't know if you ever been to a chicken coop, but it's the smell is horrible. Okay, one must distance himself from them. So from all of these bad smells. Likewise, one must distance himself from melodious waters. What does it mean? 33. If the odor caused people distress. Okay, I'm not sure what was in the waters. Maybe okay. Continue. Steeping waters in which flax or hemp is soaked. 34. As a part of the process of separating the fibers from these plants, they are soaked in pools of water, which is then emit full odor. Okay, I'm not sure, but it says does not smell good, so I have to stay away. And one must distance himself from them as he would from excrement. So that's all for CF6.